Good morning, students. Today, in chapter number 8, that is Animals How Life Goes On, we will do the last two topic of this chapter which are left. So, you have to open page number 70. On page number 70, here they have written about the life cycle of the cockroach in this paragraph, and in this paragraph, they have told about the life cycle of butterfly. So these are the things which we will going to read today. So I will tell you in the form of definitions and notes. So first, coming to the insect. First of all, what are insect? We all know that what are insect. Insect are the creatures which these are the creatures which are having 6 legs, and how they move, basically they move with the help of their legs. That 6 legs, they use their legs for the movement. But how they reproduce means how they produce young ones of their own kind. So the all insect hatch from eggs, means the insect lay eggs, and when the egg is broken, then the baby insect comes out from that eggs. That is known as that is why it is written that all insect hatch from eggs. First, we will talk about the life cycle of cockroach. We all know that cockroach is an insect. Now in that, first you should know what is nymph. So nymph is a baby insect that comes out of the egg, that is known as nymph. So once the cockroach lays eggs, and from eggs which the baby cockroach comes from, that baby cockroach is known as nymph. So the life cycle of the cockroach include that first it is egg. When the egg hatch, then nymph comes out, and with the pace of time, that nymph is converted into an adult. Now this you can see in the diagram also of your book. See here, this is shown the diagram in your book. This is the diagram. See what is shown here. Life cycle of cockroach. This is stage 1. This is the egg of cockroach, and this egg is converted into nymph. Then when the baby insect comes out from the egg after hatching, that is known as nymph. That is a stage 2. And third stage 3 is adult. After taking proper food and in the environment, that nymph is converted into a fully grown adult cockroach. So this is regarding the life cycle of a cockroach. Now next we will talk about the life cycle of butterfly. But before considering the studying about the life cycle of butterfly, I will tell you some definitions regarding that. So see here, first you should know what is larva. So larva is the young ones that hatches from the egg of houseflies and butterfly. What we call larva is the small ones which comes out from the egg of either houseflies or butterflies. And there are different terms for larvas. What is maggot? The larva of housefly is known as maggot. So when the baby housefly comes from the egg, that larva is known as maggot, and the larva of butterfly is known as caterpillar. So both these are the larva, but the larva of housefly is known as maggot, and the larva of butterfly is known as caterpillar. Now the life cycle of butterfly. This is the life cycle of butterfly. First these are egg, and from egg it is converted into caterpillar that I have told you, that is the larva of butterfly. And from caterpillar it is converted into pupa, and from pupa it is converted into a fully grown adult. Now this you can see in the diagram also. This I will show you the diagram which is given in your book. Wait for some time. Yes. So this is the diagram of the life cycle of a butterfly. So starting from stage 1, this is the stage 1, and eggs are laid on the leaves. In stage 2 it is converted into caterpillar. This is the structure of caterpillar. And in stage 3 it is converted into pupa, and this is one is the pupa, and fourth one stage it is an adult butterfly. So this is the life cycle of the butterfly. So in both the cases you should know the different stages of the butterfly and the cockroach, what we call to the larva of housefly and the what we call to the larva of butterfly. These are the things you should know in these two topics that we have covered today. Now, on the basis of today's topic, you will do this assignment. This is the assignment which I will upload on your assignment option of your app. You will do this in your rough notebook. Just read page number 70 and 71 and also try to do the book work of this chapter that is given on page number 72, and try to attempt A, B and C part of this. So that's all for the day. For any doubt you can message me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, take care and stay blessed.